In this video, we will see how to change a specific color in the image using Photoshop, so let's get started. First we need to duplicate the original layer with Ctrl+J in Windows and Command+J key in Mac. Next, with the duplicate layer selected, we need to click this adjustment icon in the bottom. Next, we need to select Hue and Saturation tab from these options. To pick a color that we want to change, we need to click this mouse hand cursor icon. With the color picker, we can select the color of the object that we want to change in the image. I want to change the color of the flower in this image. Now we can slide the hue option to change color of the flower. We can adjust the saturation and lightness slider to get the color effect we want in the flower. And done. I hope you liked watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.